DJI T100 4G module installation tutorial video. Unscrew the 9 screws on the front cover and the 4 screws on the dust cover of the distribution board. Remove the front cover. Secure it to the right middle frame with 4 3x8 screws. Snap the 4G module into the 4G module base. Tighten the 3x8 screws on top. Open the middle frame latch and lift the device body. Snap the 4G module signal cable into the cable holder. Route the 4G module signal cable from the bottom upward through the device body lower shell cable opening, then through the middle frame and lower shell openings. Loosen the 2 screws on the parameter adjustment interface. Insert the 4G module signal cable into the interface. Secure with screws and tidy the cables. Snap the front cover into place and tighten the 9 screws on the cover one by one. Tighten the 4 screws on the dust cover of the power distribution board. Check if there are any errors in the app. Verify that the 4G module network connection is normal.